What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Northeast Outdoors. Today I got Austin. He is currently unloading the truck with some stuff. We are going for some carp, and on this side I'm trying to get some catfish as well. So today, hopefully we get on some fish for you guys, make a nice, interesting, fun video. I know it's been just a little bit since I posted last. Life has been super busy, but I do not forget about y'all. Content needs to come. So I'm gonna get on it, start pumping out some videos for you guys as much as I can. Hopefully we can get on some big fish tonight. I'll get back to you guys when we got everything all set up. All right, y'all, so I got like a cabasa on the line. Hopefully we can get on some catfish. Get on these kitty cats. See what we can hook into. So we got Austin loading up all the carp stuff. I'm out here just, oh, we're already getting bites. Oh, ripped it out of his mouth. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna load back up. All right, I got a new piece on. We're in the same spot. Let's see this. Come on, kitty cat. Come on. Might have to put a weight on it. Current is pretty strong. I think I'm gonna do that fast.
Yeah, dude. It feels good.
Oh shit!
I told you, dude. It's a fucking eel. Yo, look at the size. That's huge.
I've never caught an eel.
Yeah. I don't know if they have teeth in them. No, they don't.
Oh, he does have teeth. He cut my line.
Well, fuck. I kind of want to hold them, but I don't.
Hold him. You gotta get the hook out.
Fine.
You landed him.
Fucking bites me, dude. I'm fucking. Oh God, I'm nervous.
Come on, get him, Austin.
I
Get him.
have like a fear of snakes, dude.
It's not a snake.
I know, but it looks like a snake.
Austin, he's calm. Get him.
Get that out.
Come on. Come on, Austin.
I have a fear of fucking. Yo, I've never. Dude, they're huge here, dude.
Austin fighting with an eel.
So I got him right behind the.
It's my first time ever seeing an eel in person.
Oh. Alright, I'm losing my grip, dude.
Hold him.
Put that out. I got pliers somewhere.
You do?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, I see what you're doing. Dude, it's already starting off good. Oh, your hair, like. Oh. I knew. I wasn't sure if they had teeth or not. So they do. All right, that's good to know.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
All right, now I gotta rig up.
All right, he's up.
All right, guys. Whew. We're just trying to set up for carp. And these.
Is that a carp?
Dude, I got no freaking clue.
Or it could be a turtle. You're stuck.
He's got me wrapped up in something, bro.
It's definitely. I don't think it was a carp. I think it's a turtle. Let me.
Should I go up there?
Yeah, go. Let me hold it. Let me hold it just for a second. Let me try to.
Dude, he was biting and now it's gone. Don't try to lose the fish.
Yeah, go.
I was gonna open the barrel and walk.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
All right, Austin. Oh, he's gone.
Well, on the first side, it wasn't a car.
Dude, there's so many sticks in here.
Oh, There's a lot of fish in here.
Ooh, I almost fell in. I want that sucker back.
You gotta watch your rod.
I was trying to set up the other rod. This 2-rod game is not easy.
I would say if I was you, keep one rod right here.
Both rods hooked up to the pillar, so if a fish comes, self-set the hook, drag set a little loose. Hopefully I don't get wrapped up in the mess we just got wrapped up in. And then Austin is getting his concoction ready. We're gonna set out some carp lines, let them sit on here. And today's all about catching these river monsters, guys. So where are these river monsters at? Where are these river monsters at? Ow. Alright, Austin's about to toss the first carp rod in. We finally got it set up. My other 2 rods stopped bending for now.
We're gonna want it. Literally, I mean, they're literally right. I'm not even joking. Right there.
Boom.
They're literally right here.
We got that bait ball put in.
I would have liked it a little bit more. Okay, that's right.
You're good. It's in. Let it sit.
Alright.
Let's wait to hear the scream.
Dude, I hope so.
So we got some more bait that we're going to be adding in. I think we're setting up 3 rods for carp, 2 rods for anything else that wants to bite some cabasa. Cabasa. Yeah. Alright, we got a little one. I didn't even know he was on. I just saw my slack just tremendously get super light. Alright guys. Austin, is this a river dace?
Yeah, that's a big one, dude.
Yeah, that's the biggest one I've seen. Oh, there he goes, back into the water. A river dace on a cabasa, man. And the biggest one I've ever seen. I wouldn't even be shocked if there was a little fish on it. Yeah, I looked over, dude, and my tightness in my line's just gone. And I see the line swimming towards me. I'm like, what the hell? Alright, we got something messing with the carp rig. For sure. I still got my line set out. That's 3 fish, 1 fish lost. Yeah, told you. We got us a little gill, man. That's the guy that was stealing my bait all this time. This gill.
Hello.
Got us a little gill. I'll get some leading out here for you guys soon. Alright guys, it is dark. Fucking my line is getting bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, another eel, guys. Another eel. Ooh. Oh no, my light. We are getting eaten alive out here. I got me another eel. This one definitely looks bigger.
Oh god, man.
They got some teeth. I'm gonna need Austin's pliers. So I got a betterish light. Gotta try to get this guy off. Had him back in the water. Austin, you got your pliers? Fuck! Snipped my hand, man. He bit my finger. He literally slithered his way up the line, jumped and grabbed my finger like a little asshole. Yeah.
He's a strong one. He's a strong one. That's why I had a hard time there. He's a strong. No, no, no. Stop it. Holy. He's strong. Okay.
Boom.
Alright, want me to put him back?
Yeah, throw him in.
If I can. Look at that. Look at, dude, he's strong. Look at the tail. Look at that. Wow. That's freaky, huh?
Yeah, no kitty cats yet, but some eels.
Alright, come here.
And no carp yet either.
I know, I'm shocked.
Except for my rod.
Shocked, dude. Alright.
Yeah. What? Dude, another fucking eel. Ah, I'm tired of getting eaten alive. Austin, I got us a friend.
What the holy shit?
Let me see if fires. These guys just like fight.
I don't know where I put him.
Alright, we're on a search for Austin's pliers. Check your pocket. We are out here in the darkness, getting eaten alive, not having a good time. These fish, they're not liking us right now. I keep catching eels. Austin hasn't caught a carp. We're getting pretty ooh, what was that? Yeah, we're getting pretty screwed here. All right, guys, so wrapping up here. Austin had a bust for carp, so
That's alright.
that's 0. But I got on some eels, some other fish. I'm gonna edit through this video. I'm hoping it is good, and I hope the lighting ain't terrible, because it is. But other than that, guys, have a great night, and I'll see y'all next time.